Bitcoin has been consolidating here. We are now threatening to take out this high we put in. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you why I don't think this high is getting taken out quite yet. I'm going to show you this wave structure that I'm currently playing. Ultimately, I do think 66.4K is in reach and will get tapped before we look for a mega short on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the wave structure I'm playing, guys, because there are some changes. You need to pay attention to this. We're going to look at that, analyze that, and then at the end of this video, we're going to go smaller time frame. I'm going to show you the short setup I alerted my premium members of today that we're looking out for, that you should be looking out for a nice, juicy short trade. So stay tuned through the whole video, everybody. As you know, I exited my entire long position. This does not look good for the wave structure that I was playing. I took all of my profits off the table, and we will look for the next trade. We are looking for the next trade and just scalping this sucker right now. So, you know, right now I'm just messing around over on Blowfin, just throwing some scalps in. If you want to give Blowfin a try, there are no KYCs. Everyone is using to trade on now. So if you want to hop on Blowfin, pinned in the first comment is the link to get you signed up. You use your email. That link will give you a $100 refund on your first losing trade. So capitalize on that. Throw a free trade in, give them a try. You will get $100 refunded on your first losing trade of $100 or more. Check them out. You will love them. Now, we're going right into the charts, baby. Right into the charts. So, we're going to start by saying this, guys. I said it last video. I said it many videos. The 786 of this intro wave has been tapped. We are there right now. It is a perfectly fine spot to turn around and come down. This is kind of dragging out a little longer than I like to see, so I don't want to F around and find out if that's the move and get rid of all of my gains. So I closed out my massive long position in heavy profit. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm happy with that trade, and we are on to the next one. Do I think we are rejecting and coming down right here? No, I do not. I do not. I don't know how much more clear I can be. I think 66.5K is getting hit. I think this is getting swept, and then I will be looking short. I don't know how many times I have to say that, guys, but I'll say it again. Looking for the one-to-one to get tapped. How we get there is starting to change for me. So I'm going to show you the revised count that I am playing, and we're going to look smaller time frame, and I'm going to show you the short position, so stay with me. But you need to understand the full picture here before we get into that. Now, looking at this entire wave, this is a perfect opportunity. Instead of finding these massive swing moves, massive swing moves, massive swing moves. You know, as you know, I was looking short right here. As you know, I was looking long right here for these big swing moves. Now, let's scalp this sucker. Let's get some scalp trades in. Let's make some quick money. And then we'll look for a massive swing move later that I'm going to show you. Over in the premium Discord, guys, first of all, join the free Discord. Pinned in the first comment down below as well. You will get access to my free trading course. It's included in the free Discord if you want to learn how I trade. But in the premium Discord, we have daily alerts, my constant setups I'm alerting everyone of. And last night, told everyone I was firing long here on BTC. And this is how that trade played out. We did hit targets perfectly. Now we're going to zoom in on this entire structure because this is important. I'm going to show you the short setup that we're going to look at. But I just wanted to show you guys, I was playing for an impulsive wave for a C leg here. We got a corrective wave. It was not impulsive. We ended up coming all the way back down, right? TP was here. Even though this Elliott wave structure didn't play out, is if you know how the market moves, if you're aware of how BTC moves, how markets move, you know they're coming to sweep this liquidity. That's why we had our take profit right above this high. Liquidity sweep. I alerted everyone my stop loss was at break even. This was a TP. Was hit. Came down to the stop loss. Great, whatever. We did try firing short here in hope that there was going to be nice continuation down. Ended up getting stopped out here on this move up. That's fine. That's trading. But I'm going to show you the big short that you want to be in here, smaller time frame, right? So just know that this is scalping for me right now. That's what I'm doing. Get in, get out. There's too much uncertainty with where we're at. But my primary count is right here for you guys. It is right here. Oh, before we go into the primary count, guys, if you do want to give premium a try, I have 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, constantly updated. My daily alerts, I'm constantly in the chat. You get all my indicators that I use. Just go to upgrade here in the free Discord and use the code 30OFF for $30 off of your first month. If you want to give it a try, the code expires this Friday on the 27th. So just click the link. It links directly with your Discord. You automatically have access to all these extra channels, including my daily alerts. So if you want to give it a try, now's your chance. And here we are. This is the overall structure that I am playing. We'll zoom out on this. So what I'm looking at is, instead of the impulsive wave that we were looking for, the ending diagonal, I needed to see some continuation right here. It's kind of dragging out too far for me. I don't like it with how long this correction is compared to this. It's just too long. Not saying it can't still just push up. It definitely can, but probabilities are telling me we are due for a nice little corrective wave to the downside. We're going to sweep some liquidity down here, fill this fair value gap, and then head on up. And this, to have it all make sense, would be a WXY pattern. And we would consider this wave, instead of being impulsive, we would consider it a sharp corrective wave, where we have a correction down and we're looking for another correction up. So overall, it's a big WXY. And our ending wave is a WXY as well, right? Tricky, but not tricky. So WXY is a double correction. Correction up, correction down. We're looking for a correction up. So it's all corrections in a correction, right? If that makes sense. Trying to give you guys the sauce here. Stick with me. And we are going to go smaller time frame, and I'm going to show you the short setup and the entry targets, the stop loss. I'm showing you the whole thing. So stick with me. But you need to know this before I give you the close-up point of view. You need to know why I'm saying that. So ultimately, I'm looking at this start wave as an impulse down. Let's zoom in closer. Get in here. Get in here. Looking at the start wave as an impulse down. And we are correcting. Shit. Sorry, guys. We are correcting this leading impulse down right now, right here in our B wave. And I'm looking at it as a flat correction in which it will just be part of an overall correction down to, I'm looking at like 61K, guys. Pull fibs on such a move. Yeah, your 1618 is right here around 61K. There's amazing liquidity right here. It fills the fair value gap right here. It's a beautiful spot for me. So I'm long Bitcoin right now. It's a small long. It's nothing I would alert of, but I'm just trying to catch a little bit of this beef left. I'm really looking short right here. I'm going to show you the trade in a second. You need to be aware this could be a finished flat correction. This is impulsive to me, but in a flat correction in the C leg, you would expect it to be impulsive down. Just like right here, I have an impulse up because it's the impulse of a flat correction, the C leg of a flat correction. Now, as we zoom in, I'll get rid of this stuff. Now, here's the trade to watch out for. So, we have a correction up, we have a correction down. This correction down of this wave hit at least the 90% retrace. If we pull the fib, nothing wants to click for me today, huh? If we pull the fib, past the 90%, basically came to the 1-to-1, that's valid for a flat correction. Correction up, correction down. The C leg is going to be an impulsive wave to the upside. That's how these things form. So you have an A, B, C flat correction. I am looking to come into this zone around 64.4K. You're going to just pull your fibs on this, right? Here's your fib box, your fib targets. The 1-to-1 is right here. It's been tapped, but I don't have a 5-wave shape yet. I need to see the 5th wave come in. You know, anywhere in this box is valid. You do not want this high to get taken out. That's at 1618. You do not want this high here to get taken out. This is where your stop loss is going to be if you are interested in taking this trade. This is what I'm doing. You guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. This is what I'm doing. This is what my premium members are getting alerted of. This is it. We will see how this wave looks, but once I have a finished 5 waves, I will have a more clear view of where we're shorting this. Looking at the heat maps, there is nice liquidity right here. This is a great spot to come eat up some liquidity and then continue to the downside where there is more liquidity, right? It's all about eating the liquidity here. Big liquidity guy. So, just, you know, from where we're at right now, again, time will tell how this wave progresses. Join the freaking premium Discord, guys, if you want real-time analysis, if you want real-time alerts when I'm shorting this. This is just, from where we're at right now, an estimate of where that's going to be, right? It's the best I could do for you right now. And this is the trade that I'm looking for, in which we have our A looking for a flat correction into a B, down for our C wave. Okay? And pulling fibs on such a move, A, B, C, your 1618 is right around 61K. So this is the move that I am looking to play. We'll be firing short here. We'll be firing long down here for another hit up to 66.4K. I hope this video made sense to you guys as to where my head is at and what my plan is for Bitcoin. You know where I stand longer time frame. This is the best I could do shorter time frame. These smaller time frames, they change very quickly. So it's hard for me to post a video and then things change. You got to be in the Discord for me to constantly update you guys. I can only post 1 video a day. I'm sorry. All right. So subscribe to the channel if you're not already, guys. Man, our subscribers been running up on this channel. So I know you guys are loving the videos. I know half of you that watch these videos aren't subscribed. So hit the freaking subscribe button because you watch the videos anyways. Do it. Be a part of the community. Be a part of the family. Join the Discord. Take the course free of charge. Hop on Blowfin. Get your $100 free trade. Said all I need to say today. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Oh, like the damn video, please. That's the last thing I got to say. I love each and every one of you. Trade safe, baby. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.